So what a lot of people don't realize is here in the Florida Keys, the summertime is actually the rainy season. A lot of people come here and think it's a typical summer like the mainland, and it is not. It rains almost every day. We have thunderstorms that come through. We have good thunderstorms. The clouds are beautiful. The sky is beautiful. We have rainbows all the time. But you never know when it's going to rain. And it typically lasts for 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's over.